How to change TikTok account to the business, personal, or creator account. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You will land to the For You page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of profile. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now go to the option of settings and privacy. Now over here, you will find different sections. Tap on this very first option, account. Open it. Now from here, you can easily switch your account to the business or personal account. If your TikTok account is the personal account, you will get this option of business account. So you can tap on this option of switch to business account. In the case your TikTok is already business account, you will get the option of switch to personal account. You can just tap on that option. Now tap on next for all the options. From here, you can choose a category. Select the category that best describes your account and then tap on next. Now you can add something to your bio and then you can tap on the option of confirm. Profile completed, create video now. You can tap on the option of maybe later, or in the case you want to create now, you can tap on this option of create now. With that, I have just switched to business account. Now in the case I want to switch back to personal account, I can go to the same page, tapping on this 3 bars, heading towards the option of settings and privacy, tapping on this option of account. And now here I will get this option of switch to personal account. So this was all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change TikTok account to the business or personal account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.